What up YouTube, this is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another unboxing video. It's been a while. I actually bought this quite a long time ago, and I haven't got a chance to do an unboxing video. I've been busy with everything going on. But this is an air fryer. It's a, how do you say that? Gourmia air fryer. 2.2 quart compact air fryer. It says it's a 60-minute timer, easy cleanup, we'll see about that. Fry Force 360 technology, simple controls. Fries with air for up to 80% less fat. So here's powerful circulation, targets food with fast, superheated air from every direction, healthy eating, enjoy your favorite foods with little to no oil. Perfect crisp system, ensures food gets gold on the outside and stays moist inside. Express heat element cooks food up to 30% faster than most ovens. It's a red one. The previous one I had actually worked pretty well until it didn't. I love air fryers, but from what I understand from others and from my experience, they don't have a huge long shelf life. The heating element starts not working. The basket, especially, has that coating on it, starts to flick off, and it starts to get rusty. So this is something you kind of got to replace every once in a while. Definitely, a lot sooner than other appliances. But I love air fryers. They're definitely healthier, and they cook most things fairly well. The only thing I really had a problem with cooking in here was an air fryer with chicken wings. They never seem to cook really well in these things. Anyways, here it is. So let's open up this bad boy, do an unboxing video, and check it out. I think this one's definitely smaller than my last one. I'm gonna put it over here slightly off camera, then. Okay. Well, first things first. You open it up, and there's the directions in a bag, which we will go over them in a minute. Looks like there's a underneath that is this, which is metal, very thin. So it might go right on the bottom, I bet. But we'll see. Pull it out. It's just on top of the air fryer. Okay, and the air fryer, which is right here. These things actually do cook French fries really well. Okay, pull it out. Definitely smaller than my last one. Pull that off. So the top has almost like a shrink wrap on it. Probably to protect it from scratches. Let's pull that off. Shouldn't really be anything I have to do to set this up. Looks like it goes up to, according to this, 400. This is 60-minute timer. Let's pull these off and show you what the inside looks like. This definitely feels more plasticky than the last one. Of course, more and more things are getting replaced by plastic. Yeah, this is definitely smaller than my last one. That's metal. Yeah, actually, yeah, this is definitely, because my last one had this thing you pull out, then it had another basket over it, which was basically, it shared the handle with this part, lift it out. This one doesn't have it, so basically what circulates it, unlike the other one, but you put this in there. There you go. And you put the stuff on top of it. And when you need to wash it, you clean it out. This may actually do better. We'll see how it goes. There's the heating element inside. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Not really anything with regard to putting anything together. Let's look at these directions quickly. Here it goes. Well, I got this at Walmart. It was, I believe, $59 at the time I bought it. If I get 3 or 4 years out of this is definitely going to be worth it, but we'll see. Here, we're here to help. They have a phone number Gourmia has for support if you need to call them. Not sure why you're going to be able to see that. Warning, I got 2 of them. Woo. Thank you. Extra paper. This is basically warning. Do not place the air fryer in range top, stove top, or any other cooking surfaces or heat oven. Only use the air fryer in a stable, horizontal, heat resistant level surface. Yeah. That's kind of basically common sense. Note, during the first few uses, there might be a hot plastic smell. This is perfectly normal in new air fryers as the materials heated for the first time will go away after the first few uses. And then another number for customer service. Those things are basically good to run for a few minutes or so without any food in it, which is what I'm going to do after wiping everything down. Here we go. The directions. Yeah. User manual. There may actually be a few so-called recipes for this in here too. Congratulations on the purchase of your air fryer from Gourmia. Wow, they're congratulating me. Pretty excited. Here at Gourmia, we're all about helping cooks make easy, healthy, blah, blah, blah choices. You know, the usual stuff. Cooking tips, clean. Important safeguards: know your air fryer, using the air fryer before first use, using the timer, cooking tips, cooking chart, cleaning and maintenance, troubleshooting, warranty and service issues, yada yada yada. Table of contents. Important safeguards: don't use it if you're younger than 8. Never connect it to a separate timer. All the usual stuff. It's basically safety things that any adult hopefully will have common sense to know about. I haven't actually read this, but there's some people out there who, you know, I'm gonna be polite. Know your air fryer. Ooh. That's right, that's the crisper tray which goes down in there like I thought. And that's the basket. Using the air fryer, remove all stickers, all that. You know, this is all common sense stuff. The more using the air fryer, preheat. Preheating the air fryer before adding food will generally deliver the best results. More directions on how best to use it, which is common sense. And then cooking times for, like, if we put asparagus in there, beets, bell peppers, to roast, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, butternut squash, potatoes, etc. Oh, there's several there. You can, they say you can use an oil mister spray bottle, never cooking spray. You could actually put oil on it if you want. When I've used an air fryer before, I've never done oil or anything, because it always came out pretty crispy as it is, and just it's a lot healthier. As you can tell, I am a very healthy and physically fit man, so I have a lot of experience eating healthy and eating healthy foods. And there's more cooking chart for different items: poultry, fish, seafood, beef, pork, lamb, frozen foods. Oh, yeah. Probably the cooking chart, the cooking time is probably the most helpful thing out of all of this. It gives you an idea on how long to cook something in there. Clean and maintenance, all the usual stuff, troubleshooting issues, storage. Warranty and service. It's good for the warranty for 1 full year from the date of purchase and requires proof of purchase. How many people out there actually keep receipts? That's the thing. And then usually you have this warranty, but for a lot of appliances, I notice when I buy at Walmart, it comes up on the screen, do you want to buy a warranty for a year or 5 years or whatever. Sometimes it's more money than others. So you buy that and then you have the warranty. You basically have a double warranty for the first year. I never really ever buy the warranties unless I'm buying something electronic that's fairly expensive, like a computer. And then the back. Alright, that is it. Alright. I'm debating. I think I might tack on the end of this how it looks after I first use it. Like, I might, because I'm probably going to cook some french fries in there. Maybe I'll show it and see how it goes. I don't know. If I don't do that, and if you want a review, in my opinion, how it worked, you can do a separate video. Or I can show some of it in this video and then do a separate video in it anyways. We'll see. I just don't know if there'll be enough interest in that. Anyways, this is an unboxing of this air fryer right here. I guess I got it at Walmart. I think it was $59 or $69. I never had a Gourmia air fryer. I had another one. I don't remember what the old brand was. But it does look pretty sleek and modern and all that. And I do actually recommend air fryers. They're just a lot more healthier. The only thing they didn't cook very well in it is, in my opinion, chicken wings. Maybe I was just doing it wrong. But I didn't try tons of other stuff in there all the time. So I don't know. Maybe other things won't cook as well than others. It all depends. Maybe this wasn't doing it correctly. I don't know. Don't get me wrong. I still like a regular fry with oil. And I'm still going to buy one of those. But I may just use that for like chicken wings or something whenever I do get them. But chicken wings are like super expensive right now, so who knows. But the thing is, the air fryers are so much more convenient and much more easier to clean. When you use the other fryers with the oil, you got to get rid of the oil. The oil's a pain in the butt to clean up. It makes a mess. So definitely air fryers are the way to go if you want a lesser mess to clean up. Which I know I definitely like a lesser mess to clean up. Alright, any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a nice day. And I look forward to talking again soon. Bye, everybody. Bye. Yeah. I just want to show you guys with this running. And it's actually quite quiet compared to the old one I had. Not nearly as loud. It's just a slight like whirl of a fan. And you do smell a bit of a plasticky smell like they said. But that's expected. Now if you open it up when it's running, it does turn off like the last one. And I did smell the plasticky smell a bit stronger when I opened it up. But like I said a second ago, that's expected. So far this seems to be running quite good. And I do feel the heat off of it already. Okay, here's a test. Here is some Tater Tots. They're frozen. This poured them in. It's been preheated. I had it run to get rid of that stinky plastic smell. So let's give it a try. I know this doesn't fully close all the way. Sometimes you got to push it in extra. It's I have it on 15 minutes. Very much doubt it'll take that long because for my old one, fries usually cooked really quick. And I'm also going to do some regular french fries as well. And I may throw some hot dogs in and see how they cook in this one. Alright, here's the Tater Tots. I tried them and they came out pretty well. Crispy on the outside and still soft in the inside. Perfect. Alright, let's try some regular fries now. Alright, here's some regular fries. These are actually the Checkers/Rally's brand that you could buy frozen at like a Walmart or a Publix. Haven't had these in a long time, either directly from Checkers or frozen. Let's see how they cook. Alright, these actually came out better than the Tater Tots. The Tater Tots were good, but I think they, after going a couple layers down, they definitely need a little bit longer to cook, so either longer or higher heat. But this turned out perfect. Really crispy all throughout. Still a little soft in the middle. Excellent. So they do very well with French fries. Alright, let's try the hot dogs. Alright, I put in 5 at the moment. I opened up a pack of 10. These are just some regular hot dogs. We'll see how they cook. Normally, when you cook hot dogs in the air fryer, I found in the past that it actually blows them up and they get really crispy on the outside. So let's see how it goes. Okay, here it is. Yeah, they cook pretty well. If you let it cook longer, it'll get all dark and crispy like that. Which I actually don't mind them like that. But this is more closer to probably how they should be. But yeah, they cooked really well. And how do I say that? This is probably one of the more healthier ways to cook hot dogs. Because there's no additional oil or any charcoal or anything used. So, yeah, okay. And that's about it. I just want to do a little bit on the end of this unboxing video, just to show you how some foods will cook, in my opinion. This air fryer, I think, actually works pretty darn well. So I'm pretty happy with the purchase. Alright, any comments or questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. And that's it. Oh, one more thing I want to add. Never cook any food that's really greasy, like greasy sausage or anything. Because you don't want any grease to splatter onto those heating elements. Could always start a fire. You never know. So it's best to stay away from really greasy foods. That's what I've been told, so I always have. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. I was just in the process of editing this video, and I forgot to mention, there is a temperature gauge on the air fryer that allows you to go up to 400 degrees. I had this set about 325 when I did this, so you can make it hotter on there if you need. I'm not sure if I mentioned that earlier. And looking over the video, I did not really see me show the temperature gauge, but there is a temperature gauge on the air fryer. Just wanted to let you know that.